All right, all right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Welcome back, traders. Welcome back to another WB trading session. I'm your host, Mike, aka FX Dinero, a certified full-time professional trader, guys, managing over $1 million portfolio, which of course can be verified on the site here. But cool. Other than that, guys, if you have not been paying attention to who we are, what we do, how it all works, again, we are WB Trading. We are an educational company, guys, with over a decade of experience. And we're pretty much known for getting and keeping our traders profitable, right? We do that with our what we call trifecta, which would be our strategy, which we're going to get into in a second here, guys. Super simple strategy, easy to break down. It works, mechanical, super, super cool. Also, our software, which would be our WB trading bot, which will execute this exact strategy for you. Our journal, right? You definitely need a good journal so you can refine your trading plan and figure out what's working, what's not. And of course, our Telegram alert signal, guys. So if you are not away from in front of your computer and you just want to get signal sent to your phone, that's what that will be for. And then the last tier of that trifecta would be our support, guys. Support, support, support. We do that with our Discord, of course, which you'll see here in a second as well. Of course, email support, guys. Send us an email. We'll jump right on it and reply to you in a timely manner. Our coaching calls, which we do every single week, right? We go over everything that happened. Um, and then lastly, our accountability calls, guys, where we hold you accountable and make sure you don't fall by the wayside, right? And guys, if you are getting any type of value out of any of this, please do us a huge favor. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what we're doing great so we can continue to do it. And if we suck, just let us know as well so we can try to improve that for you also, right? And then if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button and hit that bell button so you can get a notification anytime we are live, right? So you never miss another live trading session from us. So cool. Let's jump right into all the good stuff. I will share my screen now. Of course, I have already taken the liberty of marking up GU, guys. GU is actually looking pretty good for today. Good morning, everyone. As you see, guys, we just jump right in here in the morning, right before London open. Get used to what's going on. And of course, guys, if you got any questions at all, let me know. I will get to them before I jump off, right? Um, so cool. So here is GU. As a matter of fact, let's start here by checking out the news first, guys. See if we have any huge news that needs to be taken into account. So yeah, GBP news we just had at 2 a.m., right? And then we got news again at 8:30. So that's pretty much it on the news front. So let's go ahead and make sure we are notating that. Right, so had 2 a.m. news, and again at 8:30 a.m. Right, not too much. That didn't really do too much, as you can see here on GU, which is looking great to take today. Because even if you can imagine, even if we got let's say a break above here, uh, that recent low will go be below here. So that'd be 30, 20, I'm sorry, and we'd be going for 30. We got plenty of room to take this. So GU is in play for today, right? GU is in play for today. So let's let the gang know that. I'm going to say GU is in play for today, traders. All right, so GU we have got all set up, good to go. And let's also put that in our journal as well. GU is in play today. And I'll just put a link, like to show what that looks like. So we are all set there. Still not sure what's going on with the bot. It should have sent us a signal, and it hasn't. So we are still working on getting that resolved. If you are paying attention and you really need it, as you can see, GU, the high here is 32.21, and then the low on GU is 31.65, right? So take note of that, guys. So you got the highs and lows. And then let's go ahead and mark up GJ together, right? Whoa. Let's see what's happening on GJ. GJ. Let's check this out. GJ 155 here. Okay, cool. So that one is still in that range. So that's looking pretty good. We get the low here. Right. And then let's make this red. You guys know I like to keep everything congruent. So we got that for the low. And then we got this for the high. Let's make this green. So we know when that broke out. And then let's look at yesterday's ATR, right? Yesterday looks like we are at 253, right? So cool. So let's get 253 over here. Let's see if GJ is in play as well. 253, 253, 253. Yep. This is looking like it's in play for today too, guys. Whoa. I'm going to need to redo that one. Looks a little close to the top. I couldn't really measure it well. All right, 253. 253 is about right there. And boom. And let's make this one yellow so we can differentiate our actual lines for ATR. And then let's measure this to the bottom, right? Super, super simple mechanical strategy, guys. That is the cool thing about this setup, right? 253 is about right there. Boom. All right. Cool. So GJ is in play as well for today. Let's see how this goes. All right. Cool. And then GJ is in play as well. That was cool. So let's put that in the journal as well, guys. And again, if you got any questions, let me know before I jump off here. Got GJ is in play also. Got link. Sweet. So all set on that front. Let's go back and let's set some alerts here so I can know when we get a price cross above or below these lows. We got to use our technology that is offered to us, guys. And when I tell you alerts have saved me so many times from missing bad trades. Just got to love it, right? Definitely want to take advantage of what we got here. So we got the above, below on GJ, and then same thing on GU. I want to know when you get here, so I can be alerted, right? Let's put above here as well, and then put below, right? Same thing. Below, cool. All right, and that is pretty much it, guys. On these two fronts, both of those look great. See if we got any questions. Any questions at all? Nope. Okay, cool. Well, yeah, that is pretty much it for today, guys. GJ and GU are both in play. So we want to make sure we are paying attention to the both of them. Seeing that either one of them can get us paid today, right? As you guys can see, the bot is flat, right? Here, so nothing taken just yet. Just kind of waiting for it to cross. You can see it's all active and good to go here. But yeah, we are all set, guys. And it looks like this market is attempting to go ahead and start to kind of get back to where it was, right? Over the last few weeks, it's been a little volatile, kind of up and down, all over the place. And the session momentum strategy had a lot of fake outs, like for the past 2 weeks. It looks like that's calming down, which is great for us and getting back to normal, right? I think this is the first day that GU and GJ have been in play in like 10 days or something like that. So good to see that. Good to know that we are getting back on track here, guys. Yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll go ahead and wrap this bad boy on up today, guys. As always, I will drop the link to the description. I will drop the link in the description for the links to the free Discord. So if you guys just want to jump in, kind of get a feel for what's going on, check out the vibe, see if it's for you, see if it'll be a good fit. By all means, take advantage of the free Discord, right? A lot of good stuff there. Gives you like a quick sneak peek, look behind the curtain, peek under the hood type of thing before you fully commit, right? So definitely want to check that out if you have not already. Also, guys, if you want to just jump right into the pro community stuff, we're going to get access to this exact trading strategy that we're going over. If you want to get access to our software, which would be the bot, the journal, the Telegram alert signal, you get access to all of that. And of course, guys, our support, right? You get access to all of those things, right? With that pro community. And then lastly, as always, guys, for the advanced stuff, not really opening the doors for anyone new for that just yet, but I will drop the link as well in the description. So if you want to book a call, we can talk about it, right? But yeah, other than that, guys, we are all set for today. Just want to make sure you guys are getting as much value as you can. If you found any value from what we've done today, please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Other than that, I will catch you on the next one. All right. Stay safe out there. Manage your risk and no over trading. All right. Other than that, see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.